To Yardstyle live.
I never hear my cat. But me ask say them a cat him.
No, here I go, no. Really.
I'm look at it and say, you know, say, if I did some other, I see other sound system, do it, a man vex. And tall man just take it. And I'm rated them. If them say anything about tall man, just laugh.
I'm telling you something. I make it the most trouble around the song.
For real?
In terms of, yeah. I'm me the human man, but here what me do. Mine one them highlighted very little. But it's when me I beat them. I trouble, man.
Why I never saw you beat them, I was when them I beat you in a
Alright,
big
let
man.
me show you a simple thing. What do you contain a chicken? Like
Yeah,
a Portmore.
the Brazil chicken.
Yeah, the sea chicken.
Yeah, the sea
I
chicken.
go one event and with there. And but I believe go outside go eat piece of chicken, either leg and thigh.
Yeah.
And I just see him fouling and I say, no, but I eat a chicken and talk that Brazilian something. So, I mean, always I create a little humor there, you know? Keep, yeah, if we even a little atmosphere where it done, we just find something to get the vibes going. Yeah.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.